Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I am your designing developer. Like in the previous videos, we have done many of the things related to React 18 and Java, and I hope you are understanding that. Like we have just covered up many of the videos using React 18. We have just done 60 plus video, and we are also doing the Java series with that. So today we are not working on React 18. Today I will be telling you that how to just work on Java, and today we are also building an amazing project using Java, and I hope you will be understanding today's project as well. This will be different project, and it will be really helpful for you also, and I hope it will be just really enjoyable. So remember to see this video from start if you want to learn how we are just building this amazing project using Java. And if you want to see more videos like that, so remember to hit a like to this video, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn about these things. And also just share this video so more people can learn and they can understand these all stuff which we are doing. So you can also check my previous videos out which I have uploaded. Like with these all tutorial videos, I'm also uploading the big videos in which I just build projects using Next.js 13, Next.js, React.js, and many different languages which are full stack projects. I've also built many of the clones using React.js projects, so you can check that out because that clones will be giving you help, and you can also set your own things like by building that clones and the projects which I'm telling you. And I have also just built some of the websites, and you can say some of the templates, portfolios, which will be giving you help. If you want to check that out, you can do that. I've just built all the portfolios from start. Like I've just built it in HTML, CSS as well, in React.js and in Next.js as well. So remember to check that videos out. I've also built NFT marketplace using Next.js 13, and I hope you'll be enjoying that video. So remember to check that. And previously on we have built the material resume, and I hope you enjoy that video as well. So just now we'll be starting with our today's video, and just today we are just working with Java, and I will be telling you moving forward like what project we are building in this video using Java and what things are included in this project from start. So just like I'm telling you, we'll be just building an amazing project using Java, and today I will be telling you that how we can just build this amazing food template using Java. So now we'll be starting with this, and we'll be seeing that how I will be just building this amazing food template. So for building this food template in Java, I will be opening my VS Code, because like you all know that previously when I was just building the information system, that was our backend project. I was also using the Java text editor VS Code for that. So I will be now opening my folder. You can see this is my folder food template using Java. I will be opening this. Then I will be opening my file here, which is on desktop in my main browser, which is Google Chrome. So I am just building the first front end project in Java in this video here. So I'll be right clicking this. Here I will be directly opening this. So I will be closing this. Now here you have to do side by side. So this is our food template which we are building. You have seen this food template. Many of the people has built, but we are just only building the landing page of this food template here. I will be telling you how we are just building. So I will be moving it to its main file here. Now I will be doing it side by side like this. And now when you've just done this, here I will be just only making this top thing here in this food template. So you can see we are just getting all this stuff here. So I will be directly doing one thing, like I will be now just getting the value of get started. You can see here we are just getting this value learn more. So I will be moving here. You can see we are just getting this value here. So I will be now just building this. So for building this food template here, I will be closing these all files. Then you have to make it like this. So here we will be just getting our get started. So here I will be moving down, and then you can see we are just getting all this thing here at the top. I will be moving. Then after moving at the top, you can see we are getting these all elements here. And after getting these elements here, I will be just moving, and you can see this is the value which we have written get started. Now after getting this value here, I will be moving down, and then I will be just now erasing all the stuff, because I will be not needing these all stuff in this value here. So I will be now erase this section also, save it. Now reload. So you can see now we are just only getting this value. So we are just building this one page here. So for building this here, I will be moving, and then after moving here, I will be just erasing all the things here which we have written. So directly I will be moving here, and then I will be erasing this stuff. So after erasing these all things here, I will be saving this. Then you have to just move to this file here, and then you can see we are just containing all these things here. So I will be now just doing one thing. You can see this is the home thing which we have just done. So after doing these all home section things here, you have to now just move down, and then you have to erase this stuff here, because we will be not needing these all things directly here. So I will be now erasing this, and then you have to just directly save it here. So save it, then reload. So you can see here we are just getting these all stuff, but it is empty. So here I will be now making this tag here. Okay, all the things are included here. So I will be now directly doing one thing here, like here I will be just saving this, and after saving, just you have to move to this file, which is main style one, then this media one. So here you have to just here, if I just show you, you can see we are just not getting anything when I've just reloaded this. So here I will be reloading this thing, then I will be now pressing Control Z here directly. So here you have to reload. You can see all the things has been removed there. So I will be now doing one thing, like here I will be moving in this file, and you can see we are just getting this stuff. So here I will be also moving. So now when you just remove this file here directly, I will be now opening this. And after opening this here, you can just see we are not getting anything here. So I will be now doing one thing, like here was our food template which we are building. So if I open this, totally empty, nothing it is containing. So after when you have just done this thing, I will be moving here, press Ctrl V to close side panel. Then I will be making it side by side, so coding side should be bigger. So I will be now moving to my main file, which is this one. So here I will be pressing Ctrl C, you can say Ctrl Z to get the back thing, reload. Now we are just getting, but I was just telling you that if I remove these all stuff which we are getting here, so you can see we are just getting this menu bar and this home section till here. So I will be moving down after this home. You can see only this tag we are just getting. So I will be directly selecting this all tag which we are just getting here, and directly I will be removing this. After removing, save it, reload. You can see nothing is happening. Means that it is working here. So directly you can just select this all stuff, and then you can just remove it till here. After removing this file here, you can just reset all the common code which you want to do. Save it here, reload. So you can see this, we are just getting all this stuff, but we have to style that also. So for making this, just you have to move here, and after moving here, I will be now moving down, and you can see we are just getting all the things here. So I will be removing this, and now we have just done, so we have to write this all code so we can style this thing. So I will be moving here, then you have to erase this thing directly, then save it, and then reload. All the things as removed, press Ctrl B to close side panel so we can just write our codes here. So press Ctrl B. Now I will be starting the main codes from here. So I will be now just first of all writing here header, and after writing header, I will be just writing here class, which should be header. Then you have to just now move down, and after moving down, I will be just writing here div class, and in class I will be just writing here header logo. Then you have to now just write here image dot slash images. Then I will be writing slash logo. And now when you've just written this, you have to move down, write here nav class nav bar. Then I will be now just writing here ul tag, and after writing ul tag, you have to write li tag, a tag, then write here class active, and then write here href home, and simply here as well. Now you have to just write here a tag which should be like about, and then you have to write here about, and write here li tag, a tag, then write here menu like this. And after writing menu here, you have to just write li tag, a tag, then you have to write hashtag popular. So here I will be now just writing it here, then you have to write here popular as well. Now when you've just written this here, you have to write a thing which should be like a tag. Then I will be now just writing here gallery, and write here gallery as well. Write here a tag again. This time I will be now just writing here order. After writing order, you have to just write here order here as well. Save it, reload. You can see we are just getting at the top these all stuff. Then you have to move after this nav tag here. So after moving down in this nav tag, I will be just writing here div id, menu bar. Then I will be now just writing here class, and in class I'll be writing fas fa bars. Then you have to just now move down after this tag, write here main tag, write section, and here you have to write id which should be home, write here class which should be home. Then I will be now moving down, right here div class, and here I will be just writing home description. Then you have to just write here h1, and in h1 I will be just writing here we believe good. Then I will be now just writing here like this. So here I will be writing we believe good food offer like this. Then I will be writing great smile. Now when you've just written this here, you have to move down after this tag, write here p tag and lorem tag here, write here input type button. Then I will be now just writing here value, and value should be get started. So here I will be writing this. Then you have to now just write here div class, and then write here home image. So I will be now just writing here. Then you have to now just do one thing. I will be moving down, right here dot slash images. Then I will be now just writing here home image. Then I will be just writing here dot png. Now when you've just written this, Here you have to just move down, right here section, and right here id about. Then you have to write here class about, and then you have to just write here div class about, and then write here image. Then I will be now just writing here image dot slash images slash, then I will be writing here about frame dot png. Then you have to move down, right here div class, then I will be writing here about, and right here description. So here when you just written this, here you have to move down, and then I will be now just writing word, then I will be writing about us, or you can say directly, you can write it in the capital as well, a word about us, like this. Then when you just written this, here you have to move down, right here p tag lorem, then here you have to move down, right here lorem again. So here I will be just moving down again, and then here you have to just write here input type button, then I will be now just writing here value, which should be learn more, and then you have to now just move down, right here section id home, and right here class, then here I will be writing menu. Here in id I will be changing this to menu now. So you can see we have just written this thing here. So after writing this all stuff here, I will be now just doing one thing. I will be moving down, right here h2, then right here our delicious, then I will be now just writing here spend tag directly. After creating this spend tag here, I will be now just writing here menu. Then you have to just write here a tag which should be like div, and then here after writing div you have to write here class, and in class I will be writing here category. Then you have to just move down, right here input, and in input I will be writing here type button, right here value is equals to breakfast. Then when you just written this, here you have to move down, right here input type button, right here class this time, and then right here active. Then I will be now just writing here value lunch. Then you have to now just write here input type button, then right here a tag which should be like value, and in value I will be just writing here dinner. Then again you have to write input type button, and then you have to write here value, and in value I will be writing here desert. Now save it. Here you have to move down, right here div class category image, like this. Then after writing this, here I will be moving at the top, and then you have to now write here category, like this. Then after writing this, here you have to write image, remove the source id. So here I will be now writing here id, which should be like c image, and then you have to write here source dot slash images. Then I will be now just writing here menu lunch. So here I will be now just writing here dot jpeg. Now when you've just written this, here you have to write div class, and then write here menu content. Then you have to move down, right here a tag which should be like div class, and then here I will be now just writing div class info. After writing this, here you have to now just move down, right here h3 spend tag, right here 01. So here I will be writing point, and I will be writing here we serve best food in the country, like this. Then when you just written this thing, just I will be removing this, and then you have to just move down, right here p tag and lorem. Then you have to now just move down again, right here div class info, and after writing info you have to just write here h3 spend tag. Then I will be now just writing here 02, and here you have to just write here we serve. So here I will be writing best food in the country, like this. Then you have to now just move down, right here p tag and right here lorem. Here you have to just now move down, right here div class info, and after writing info you have to just write here h3 spend tag. Then I will be now just writing 03, and you have to just write here we serve. So here I will be writing we serve best food in the country, like this. Now when you just written this, here I will be just writing here p tag and then lorem tag here. Then you have to just write here div class info. Then you have to now just move down after this, right here h3 write spend tag. Then I will be writing 04, and then after writing this, here I will be writing we serve best food in the country, like this. Then you have to now just here I will be now moving down after this tag, right here p tag and then right here lorem. After writing this, here you have to now just close this section tag here. So I will be now just saving this, and then you have to reload it here. After reloading, you can see we are just getting the about us and our delicious menu. So here when you are getting this, so we have to write the styling tag in that, so we can just work with this. So here I will be now moving in this file, and then you have to move to style.scss. Then after moving to this file, here you have to now just write the codes here. So for writing the codes, I will be moving here, and you can see we have just written the import URL directly here. After writing the font links, you have to now just move down and then you have to write this tag. Here I will be now just writing margin 0. Then you have to write here padding. So in padding also I will be writing 0. Then here you have to just write box sizing, which should be border box, and then you have to just write here outline none, and here you have to write border none. So here when you just written this, I will be now just writing here a tag which should be like font family, and here I will be writing roboto sans serif. Here you have to just write here the file name, and then you have to write font size 62.5%, and here you have to write overflow x, which should be hidden. Then you have to now just write here at the rate include. Then I will be now just writing here property. So here you have to write this. Then you have to just move down, write here body tag. Then I will be now just writing here max width, which should be 1200 pixel. Then I will be just writing here margin auto. Here you have to just write here background color white, or here you can just write this tag here like this, and then you can just write here white. Then here I will be writing position relative, and then you have to just write here overflow x hidden. Then when you just written this, here you have to write h1 h2. Then you have to now just do one thing, like here I will be writing h3, and then you have to write here h4. Here I will be writing font family, which should be like Oswald. Then write here sans serif. Here you have to just write a tag, write text decoration none. So here I will be now writing it. Then write here a tag button. Then you have to just now do one thing, like here I will be now just writing a tag which should be like input, and here I will be writing button. Then you have to just write here input and write here submit, and after writing this submit, here you have to just write here transition, and then here I will be writing linear transition. So here I will be now just write here linear, and in linear I will be writing transition like this. Here you have to write ul, then write here list style type like this, which should be none. Then I will be now just writing here section, which should be padding. So here I will be writing section padding, which should be 3 rem 1 rem. Then I will be now just moving down, right here dot header, and right here max width, and then you have to write here 1200 pixel, right here width 100%, and right here a tag which should be like height 6 rem. Then you have to now just write here padding, which should be 1 rem 8 rem like this. Then you have to just write a background color, and in background color I will be writing this tag and write here alias blue, and here you have to close it. Then I'll be writing here box shadow, which should be like box shadow. So here I will be writing box like this, and then write here shadow. After writing this thing, just I will be now closing this tag, and then here you have to just do one thing. I will be writing here at the rate include, and then you have to write flex and write here row comma, write space between. So here I will be writing a space between, then write here comma center. After writing this thing, just here I will be moving, but first of all close this, write here position fix, then I will be writing here top 0. So write this top 0 here, then write here z index 100. Then you have to now just write a tag here as well, and in this tag I will be writing dot header dash logo. Then I will be now just moving down, and then you have to write here text align in center, and then you have to just write a tag which will be like padding 0 1 rem. Then you have to now just write here image tag, write here width 4 rem, then write here height auto, write here cursor pointer, then write here dot left bar, and then you have to write here padding. And now in padding I will be just writing here 0 1 rem, write here ul tag, and then you have to just write here at the rate include. Then I will be writing here flex, and here you have to just write here li tag, write text align, which should be center. And then you have to just now move down, or you can say here I will be directly moving in this tag, write here a tag, and then in this a tag I will be just writing here font size, which should be 2 rem. Then write here text transform, which should be capitalized, and here you have to write margin 0.5 rem, write here font weight, which should be 500, and here you have to write color hashtag black. Then you have to now just write here end tag and write here hover comma again end tag. Then you have to write here dot active, and here I will be writing color and write this tag, and then write here yellow. After writing this, you have to write here border bottom, which should be 0.2 rem solid. Then I will be writing here yellow like this. Then you have to now just move after the. So here I will be now just moving after this tag. You can see 5. Then I will be just writing here menu bar and write font size, which should be like 3 rem, and then write here padding, which should be 1 rem like this. And then you have to just write here a tag which will be like cursor pointer. Then you have to now just write here display none. So here I will be now just writing like this, and here you have to save it and then reload. So you can see we are just getting all these things here, and this is our amazing food template which we have built using Java. So this was not really big food template which we have built. This was the simple food template which we have built using Java, but this was our first front end project which we have just built, and I hope you understand this how we have just built that, because previously on when we have just built the project in Java, that was the backend project of information system in which we were just not using any browser. So I hope you understand this project, how we have just built. If you have understand and enjoy this video of Java, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, remember to subscribe on this channel, and also hit notification bell from which you'll be notified with all the future videos. And remember to share this video so more people can learn and they can understand this all this stuff. So just I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorial using more other languages in future, like using React 18 and many other languages. We'll be also building big projects. So for today, goodbye.